Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable notifications for Spaces on Twitter when using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Twitter on your PC. Step 2. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the left-hand column, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. Step 4. Within the Notification Types menu, navigate to Preferences. Step 5. Look for and click on Push Notifications. Step 6. Under the section from Twitter, find the box labeled Spaces and make sure to uncheck it. Step 7. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to apply your new notification settings. That's it. You have successfully disabled notifications for Spaces on Twitter through your PC. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. See you next time.